Nvidia is in trouble. Granted, you probably wouldn't be able to tell just by looking at the stock price. However, gamers, their original and most vocal audience, has been getting pretty fed up with what the company has been doing recently. But can the RTX 4060 be what saves it? No, it won't be. It just won't, I'm sorry. And on the surface, it all seemed so promising. I mean, it's a $300 graphics card that will come with the high performance and all the great features we usually expect from Nvidia. However, it all of a sudden becomes a much tighter race when you consider the recently released Radeon 7600, which costs $270. And that's of course worth mentioning the elephant in the room, and the one that you probably already went down in the comments to talk about because gamers are just so predictable: the video memory situation. Yes, there's only 8 GB. And yes, I do get your disappointment, viewer, but at the same time, it's a $300 card. I mean, how much can you expect, really? I mean, at the end of the day, no one's dumb enough to expect that they'll be playing games at high settings that could require more than 8 GB of VRAM on a 60-tier graphics card. Right? Okay. As much as I like to annoy fellow PC gamers, there is, of course, one even bigger elephant in the room that we should probably talk about: the RTX 3060, which for whatever reason had a whopping 12 GB of VRAM. That was even more than the RTX 3080, which was for a time Nvidia's flagship. So basically, Nvidia just shot themselves in the foot there, because now on the one hand, everyone expects 12 gigs of VRAM on a 60-tier card, but on the other hand, it's still a 60-tier card, okay? They're not supposed to be the be-all and end-all. So it is a very, very complicated situation, but thankfully, if you are in the market for a new budget graphics card, you don't have to wait long for this one, because it's apparently set to come out on the 29th of July. And if Nvidia finally wakes up and realizes my channel exists, then hey, maybe I have a review up. But let's be honest, I probably won't. So if you want to make me feel better about not being noticed by Nvidia, then maybe check out our Patreon, because in a single $1 a month truly goes a long way, or you get awesome perks as well. I'd also love thank my existing patrons: Gavin Burns, Ryan, AKB, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Balash Welcome, Meg Sumner, Shane Orkoff, Lansby, and Level Up. Down there you're going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.